Hello P4, welcome to our Math 4 class, and this is Miss Claire. Let's continue our lesson for chapter 4 about time, and you will learn about calculating time intervals and reading simple timetables and a calendar. You can find these lessons in your Learner's Book pages 57 until 65. The learning objectives of this lesson is to choose units of time to measure time intervals, to calculate time intervals, and to read simple timetables and use calendars. Okay, P4, are you ready? Come on, let's start. First, let's find unit of time that is suitable to certain activities. For example, when we are eating our lunch, a falling ball, and nap time. So let's choose the suitable unit of time for this activity. So for the lunch time, we have 30 minutes or 30 hours. Which one is the suitable time? Yes, it's the 30 minutes. It's impossible for us to eat our lunch for 30 hours. How about a falling ball? 1 minute or 1 second? Which one do you think? Yes, it's 1 second. How about nap time? 2 hours or 2 minutes? Which one do you think? Yes, it's 2 hours. So that's how we find the suitable unit of time for a certain activity. Now let's study about how to calculate time intervals. Time intervals, children, is the amount of time between two given points of time. For example, look at the girl. What time did you start your math class? For example, you have your math class. What time did you start and what time it ended? Let's say that your math class starts from 7:10 a.m. and it ended 8:15 a.m. So how long is your math class? Try to find the answer. Now I have here a problem. Let's read. Johnny started doing his homework at 3:45 p.m. He finished it at 5:30 p.m. How long did he answer his homework? So how to solve this? Let's say that he started from 3:45 p.m. and it ended 5:30 p.m. To solve this one, children, let's say 3:45 p.m. Let's find what is the next or the nearest hour after 3:45 p.m. What do you think? Yes, it's 4 p.m. So from 3:45 p.m. to 4 p.m., that is 15 minutes, right? Next, we will move to the next hour after 4 p.m. and that is, if we add 1 hour, that is 5 p.m. Now, we are looking for the 5:30 p.m. So, from 5 to 5:30 p.m., how many minutes? That is 30 minutes. So, we can solve it now. All we have to do is to add 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 30 minutes. And that is equal to 1 hour and 45 minutes. We only add 15 and 30. So, Donnie answered his homework for 1 hour and 45 minutes. Another problem. Martha completed her project for 2 hours 20 minutes before 6 p.m. So that is the time interval. So the question is, what time did she complete the project? So the time interval is 2 hours 20 minutes and it should be finished or completed before 6 p.m. So we are looking here, what time did she complete the project? So how to solve this? Here, from 6 p.m. we need to subtract 2 hours and 20 minutes. So 6 p.m. minus 1 hour, an hour before 6 p.m. is, yes, 5 p.m. Because we are looking for 2 hours, we need to subtract again another 1 hour and that is 4 p.m. Next is we need to find 20 minutes before 4 p.m. What is that? 20 minutes before 4 p.m. Yes, that is 3:40 p.m. So, Martha completed her project at 3:40 p.m. Another problem. A volleyball match started at 11:30 a.m. What time did it end if the match lasted for 2 hours and 15 minutes? So we are looking for the time. So we have 11:30 a.m. It started on this time. And the time interval is 2 hours and 15 minutes. So what time did it end? So all we have to do is we need to add 2 hours and 15 minutes to 11:30 a.m. So from 11:30 a.m., if we add 1 hour, that is, it's already 12:30 p.m. Next, we add another 1 hour, and that is 1:30 p.m. After that, we need to add 15 minutes. So 1:30 p.m., we add 15 minutes, that is, yes, 1:45 p.m. Therefore, the match ended at 1:45 p.m. So children, that's how to calculate time intervals. Now let's study about reading simple timetables and using calendars. Look at Arthur's timetable in a week. Take a look. This timetable started from 12 noon. And as you can see, there are some activities that Arthur have in a week from Monday to Friday. So I have here some questions. Question number 1. What time does Arthur eat his lunch from Monday to Friday? Take a look. What's the time for his lunch? Yes, it's 12 noon. Here. So every day, he eats his lunch at 12 noon. How about question number 2? On what days of the week and at what time does Arthur have violin lesson? Can you find the violin lesson? Here. Violin lesson. It is on Tuesday. Another. Here also. It is also on Thursday. Is there any other days? No more. So Arthur have violin lesson on Tuesday and Thursday. And what time? It's 3 p.m. So Arthur has violin lesson on Tuesday and Thursday at 3 p.m. Question number 3. How long is Arthur's homework time in a week before bedtime? Fine. How many times he had a homework time in a week? And how long in each day? Okay, before, reserve your answers during our Zoom meeting. Now let's study on how to use a calendar. I have here a calendar. This is Arthur's calendar. Take a look. This calendar is for the month of September. Here are his activities for the whole month of September, starting from September 1, which is Wednesday, and until September 30, which is Thursday. So we have September 1 and September 30. So his calendar is almost full. I have here some questions and try to find the answers from the calendar. Question number 1. On which date and what time Arthur will have dental checkup? Can you find the answer? Okay, question number 2. On which date Arthur will visit his grandparents? And question number 3. Arthur's last day for basketball training is on 15th of September to prepare for the championship game on 25th of September. Now, how many days before the basketball championship game is his last training? Okay, before, during our Zoom class, share your answers. And that's all for Lesson 3, Calculating Timetables, and Lesson 4, Reading Simple Timetables and Calendar. We will discuss more about this lesson during our Zoom meeting. Thank you for watching P4, and I hope that you learned a lot in this video. Always remember to stay safe and healthy. God bless everybody and have a great day.